Come with me today on a short flight to Corona, California. I'm going to Aircraft Spruce to pick up some nav lights for my airplane, some LEDs, so check out the video. Hey, what's up YouTube? Pilot Trav here with V-Speeds Aviation, and I am headed to Corona to pick up some nav lights for my airplane. And it should be a short, fun flight in the 150. Nice clear skies, no bumpy weather, should be good. So we're just gonna taxi over right now. But anyways, check out the video, hit that subscribe button, and you already know I see you in the skies. Whiteman ground, Cessna 8541 Golf is at the field pitch, ready to taxi to runway 12 with information echo.
Last calling Whiteman ground, verify 8541 Golf.
That's affirmative, 8541 Golf.
Remember 8 Papa 41 Golf, runway 12, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 1241 Golf. Alright, we are going to Corona Municipal 3500. Whiteman Tower, Cessna 8541 Golf, holding short runway 12 for the 4 stacks departure.
Cessna 8541 Golf, Whiteman Tower, hold short runway 12.
Holding short runway 1241 Golf.
Cessna 41 Golf, make a 4 stacks departure out or below 2,500, runway 12 clear for takeoff.
4 stack departure out or below 2,500, clear for takeoff runway 1241 Golf. Lights, camera, action. Seat belts.
41 Golf, contact Burbank 118.7.
118.7, 41 Golf.
Plastic bag blowing around on the end of runway 8.
Skywest 3412, roger, about where at?
Just a beam, me off my right hand side right now.
Roger, I see it, thank you. Any ops vehicles on frequency?
Burbank Tower, Cessna 8541 Golf is over the 4 stacks at 1,800.
November 8541 Golf, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3016, ident.
3016, ident.
November 41 Golf, radar contact 4 stacks, did you want flight following to Corona? If so, what altitude?
Yes, I want flight following 3,500, 41 Golf.
November 41 Golf, roger, maintain VFR out of below 3,000 for now.
Maintain out of below 3,000 for right now, 41 Golf.
November 41 Golf, altitude restrictions canceled, contact SoCal approach 135.05.
135.05, 41 Golf. SoCal approach, Cessna 8541 Golf with you, 2,900.
3541 Golf, SoCal approach, ident.
Ident, 41 Golf.
41 Golf, radar contact just east of Burbank Airport, 3,000 altitude discretion, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, 41 Golf. Alright, so I made a mistake. I put in 135.5, which is the wrong frequency for SoCal going this way. It was 135.05. I didn't hear the O when he said it, so I had to look at my chart to see which one that they're using over here. No big deal, but so yeah, I'm doing a short flight over to Corona Airport to pick up some nav lights for my airplane, some LED lights to make everything nice. I can't use the regular bulbs, I have to use LEDs because my magnetometer, which is for my GPS, it can't have any metal around it, so that's metal if it's one of those regular bulbs, so I had to get the LEDs. It The ones I have on there right now, I don't like them. Get some new ones. Going into land. Corona traffic, Cessna 150 is on left downwind for runway 25, Corona traffic. Corona traffic, Cessna 150 turning left base for runway 25, Corona traffic. Corona traffic, Cessna 150 turning left final for runway 25, Corona traffic. Corona traffic, Cessna 150 is on final for runway 25, Corona traffic. Guys on the carriage down, make sure the wrist prop for seatbelts are fastened. All right, where I made it, I'm about to park and then go to Aircraft Spruce. So, just landed. I'm in Corona. I'm about to head to Spruce. Is that a restroom over here?
A restroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that little house?
This little one right here?
Also behind, yeah.
Oh, okay, appreciate it. Just landed in Corona, about to head to Aircraft Spruce. Yeah, that was a good little flight. The clouds are a little weird, but they're not too high. But when I go back, I gotta at least stay at like 3, 5. I can't go to 4 or 5. Can't go to 4 or 5. To Aircraft Spruce. Flew out here on the electric board. About to follow the road all the way out. Good little flight. Bargain rack. Aircraft Spruce. I have my items that I wanted. I got 2 things. I only wanted to get one thing, but obviously found something else as usual. So I bought it. It's just a fuel sump. I needed one, but got that, and I got my nav light. Waiting for my other one to come in. So once that comes in, then I'll be happy. Put those on. I'll have new LED lights for my 150. And I start my instrument training. Yeah. But yeah, I'm about to fly back home. I'm hungry now. So go do that. All right. So I just decided to go to the little restaurant here at the airport. Still in Corona. I'm pretty hungry, but I don't want to eat a lot. So I decided just to get a small fry and a soda. But before I fly home. But yeah, just a little break out here. I wish my wife was with me. She can come enjoy it with me, but she's not feeling too good. But yeah, it's a pretty good flight. A little bit of bumps, but it was really nice. Nice to fly around in a little slow Cessna 150. But maybe one day I'll be able to upgrade solely. I know I have my Comanche also, but I want to solely own a fast plane also. So It'd be nice to have that one as my own or something else. So we'll see down the line, whatever God has for me. But just went up for a little bit. Took me, I don't even know how long it took me in the 150. It was about 30, 40 miles away. Probably like 30 minutes, maybe 30-minute flight. I was doing 100 miles per hour, 110 maybe. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna calculate it going back and update you and see what it is. It was a fun flight. It's nice weather out here today. Tractor. Yeah, this little airport restaurant seems pretty cool. I don't know. I don't even know the name of it. Airport Cafe, maybe? I gotta see it when I pass by. I do have a, there is an airplane over there I do want to go look at. It's a fairly new airplane, and it is sitting on its tail. So I'm interested to go see what that is. I'm gonna go record that in a minute after I finish eating and everything. They don't play. Do not touch our airplanes. But yeah, so I wanted to go see this airplane. Look at these abandoned ones over here. Check this out. You have a, maybe a 182 or 172 RG, totally gone. And then look at these over here. This is a Aerostar. We have an Aerostar right here. Completely done. Wow. And then look at this thing right here. This is what I wanted to actually see. It's this one. Oh, it breaks my heart. Such a nice new airplane. Yeah. Engine's gone. Huh. Completely the airplane boneyard. And that one looks like it's wrapped up. Poor Aerostar. Sad just looking at those. Every time I see a plane like not working anymore, I'll be like, oh. But it happens, you know. Planes are expensive, kind of hard to maintain sometimes. So you gotta really, you know, have some money. So it's interesting at this airport at Corona. It's a lot of abandoned airplanes. So check this one out. This is a Grumman Tiger 4-seater. Look at this. Abandoned, done, finished, finito. Wow. I mean, like, I wish I had the money to catch these airplanes before they get abandoned. You know, and I got like another one to show you. This one's a twin. And I'm just gonna let you see it right now. Check this out. Look at this thing. So cool though. But it is literally laying on its belly. Wow. Literally laying on its belly. It's a twin engine. I don't know what it is. I have to look it up to see what type of plane it is. But you would think it's a seaplane, but it's not. It just completely collapsed. Engine's still in there. Wow, completely done. And then there's one more. Here's a V-tail Bonanza that's also done. Look at that. It's a nice airplane. Very nice plane. But this one's done too. Tail section's off, pretty much. Yeah, it's been sitting for a while. 2 abandoned airplanes and another one. Oh, my heart just sinks. Oh, my heart sinks for that. I always wanted, you know, a plane to just have before it goes to trash. And these don't look like this. Maybe this Grumman looks salvageable, but the other ones, no, they're done. Oh, there go one more. Check this one out. It looks like it's a Piper Cherokee, maybe. See it? They took the engine off. See the motor mounts. But yeah, that one's done too on his tail. Yeah. Let me get out of here though. Just want to kind of show that.